might there be. Today I am here to present my English Jharkhand activity. Jharkhand is a beautiful state in India. It is also known as land of forest. Jharkhand is famous for forest, hills, valleys and waterfalls. Today I am here with the clay model of different landforms. This is a clay model of waterfalls, mountain, river and forest. In a waterfall, water falls from height in the course of a river. It is a part of river. This is a forest. It is an area of land with different types of trees, animals and birds. Forests are lungs of nature that provide oxygen for us to breathe. Both waterfalls and forests are true blessings from the Mother Nature and they are attractive places for visit.